Yo, it's your boy Connor. How you guys doing today? Dang, we out here with the Supra. So the battery actually died because I have not driven it, and I have a battery tenderizer thingy, but I forgot to hook it up. So, I mean, she dead. Whatever. We'll jump it later. All right. So what we're gonna go ahead and do today is we're gonna go ahead and try to make this engine bay look a lot better than it already does. Just kidding, it looks like crap. Anyway, it looks like complete poo-poo. I have not cleaned it since I bought the car, which is neglectful on my part, but I've already started taking out the intercooler piping. I need to take this part off too, but we got a bunch of paint. We have wrinkle paint that we're gonna paint the intercooler piping black, wrinkle black, and then we're gonna go ahead and try to paint this and just clean up the whole engine bay. This is probably gonna be a couple series videos of trying to clean up the engine bay, and we're gonna set up for the single turbo kit that hopefully I'll get soon within the next couple months. But I want to clean up everything, make everything look nice and clean, maybe do some wire maintenance and stuff, a bunch of crap on the car since I won't be driving it for the next couple months. So yeah, anyways, we're gonna go ahead and start by taking off the rest of the intercooler piping and stuff. I'm gonna go ahead and take off the front bumper, which is kind of annoying that I do have to take off, but the intercooler piping to take off is super annoying to take off anyways. So we're gonna go ahead and take all that off. We're probably gonna clean this up too. This looks like crap. We're gonna clean that up and see if we can paint it something else, do something with it. I don't know yet, but we'll see what we can do with that. And then probably the cowl, we're gonna restore it because it looks like crap. It has like some white stuff on it, and I've tried to like clean it up and stuff, but it just doesn't work. I got some trim paint that we'll probably fix up with the trim and stuff, and everything else. Anyways, let's get right into it. Let's go ahead and take off the front bumper, and then anyways, let's go ahead and try to take off the front bumper, and then let's go from there. Let's get her done. Well, after fighting with these things, we finally got the intercooler piping out. It definitely, they're Blitz intercooler piping. They are freaking dirty, super bad. So they're definitely raw finish, and so look how my intercooler was being held by these like brackets or whatever. They're both broken. So this intercooler is just hanging by like nothing. So we're gonna go ahead and try to see if we're probably gonna have to take it out and see if we can get some brackets for it. They're both cracked, which kind of sucks, but I mean, super old. Might have to flush it out with some some gas. So I'm pretty sure that's how you do it. So yeah, there's that. So let's go ahead and we're probably gonna try to restore this and then the fan shroud, just to make it look a lot cleaner also. So let's go start dismantling stuff. Look how easy this. I got this for Christmas. It's freaking amazing. But look at this thing. Look, whoop. Easy. What the heck? Hell yeah, Milwaukee. Badass. Thank you, Willow. Thank you so much. I freaking love this thing. But yeah, it makes working on cars super easy. I don't have to be freaking wrenching. This thing is really long though, so it definitely is inconvenient in some places. I might get a smaller one, but this thing is still freaking amazing. The Ooga Booga. That's what I'm calling it. Ooga Booga. Got this one out at least. We're also going to take this one off right here, just so we can clean around it. Yeah, we're going to go ahead and do that. We're going to try to clean up a lot of this stuff. So like also right here, probably going to take this stuff off right here and then clean all this right here. We might actually paint some of this, like make it look a lot nicer, like the engine bay and stuff. Obviously we won't be able to get in the back over here, but we're definitely be able to at least clean this up a lot better than it is now. And we'll probably try to do the same with the other side. The other side's a lot harder because it has like a bunch of crap back there. So yeah, we're gonna focus on this side first and then work our way onto the other side. But yeah, so I'm just gonna move this wiring harness out of the way. I don't even know what this is for. We'll figure it out. But yeah. Look how dirty that is right here. Like super dirty. The car and it's like metal on metal right there, so definitely needs to be cleaned up and try to see if we can prevent some rust. So yeah, I definitely need to start doing some of that stuff. And honestly, I just want to freaking rip this turbo, these stock turbos out of the freaking way because they just piss me off. And I don't want them there. I want the new turbo kit in there. But all the time, I'm not rich, so we're gonna go ahead and have to do that first. And then when we do get the money, I mean we're close. We be close. When we do get the money, then we'll go ahead and rip this girl out. I might rip it out just preemptively until the new turbo kit, but I kind of want to do it when I have it in hand, in possession. Just so if I really need to move the car, I'll have to move it, you know. But yeah, let's go ahead and get the rest done. All right, next step we're gonna go ahead and do is take this shroud off. I think, so I'm pretty sure it's just a couple of nuts. So we do need to take these off right here, which isn't too bad. It's just one nut right there, and then this whole thing pops up. Same thing on the other side, and I'm pretty sure the shroud just comes up. I can't remember. Might have some clips or something. Let's go ahead and get her done. Oh. The window, there it is. Go. There's that. Let's go ahead, probably put it inside real quick. All right, since it's been a couple of days, I have done a couple things. Scary. But I think what we're gonna go ahead and do is try to see if we can get this cowl thing looking better. If you can see, it's like all white and nasty. Today what we're gonna go ahead and be using is some of this stuff, some Rust-Oleum trim bumper stuff. Should work fine. I'm hoping it works good. What we're gonna go ahead and do is clean it up, wipe it down with isopropyl alcohol, and then spray it down. And try to get even and see if that works. But yeah, let's go ahead and get that done real quick and see how it turns out. Alright, so I just got finished with the second coat. I mean, it's looking pretty clean, honestly. There's some spots that I freaking oversprayed, like right here. I don't know if you can see that right there. I oversprayed that. But I mean, it looks pretty clean, honestly. I should have probably scuffed it up a little bit, but I mean, what are you gonna do? What are you gonna do? But I mean, it looks pretty clean. I'm probably gonna, I probably won't clear coat it. I like this finish, but I might do one more coat just to be safe. Just one light coat. But I mean, dang, bros, it looks freaking clean. Hopefully it holds up, honestly. So while that's drying, so like I said, I have wrinkled paint for this stuff, but I don't necessarily know what I want to do because I've never wrinkled painted something, so it's definitely gonna be a product. I don't know, definitely weird. So these right here actually. This I'm gonna try to see if I can buff it and make it shiny again. I've never buffed aluminum. It's scraped, as you can see right there, but I'm gonna see if maybe I can do something. But right here, these, I might buy a sandblaster, but I'm gonna powder coat these. I bought an oven and a powder coating kit, and I'm gonna see if I can maybe powder coat these. I think these would look freaking sick in like some powder coat, like purple or black or something. I don't know yet. This we're probably just gonna clean up, take that K&N sign. Looks like crap. And then this same process, same thing. I don't necessarily know what color I want to paint that. I don't know if I probably want to go with a brushless theme or maybe paint it a color. I kind of want to go with like a purple, like for the engine bay, like a deep purple, but I'm not really sure what I really want to do, because then I'd have to get like purple couplers, a bunch of other stuff, like the catch can here. It's green. I don't know if I've showed you guys this catch can I got, but this catch can I got is green, and so I'd have to get like green filters, which is probably not that hard. Or not, I'd have to get like purple filters, which is probably not that hard to get, and then maybe take these off, take off all of this, and then maybe I don't know if that's anodized though, so I really don't know, but maybe make those purple. So we'd have to see. Radium ones, I mean the radium's green. While we're on the subject of those, I got these two right here. These are fittings for my valve covers, so I don't have to weld a bung. These are press-in fittings. They're pretty badass. The whole kit, I got it for 200. So I got this for 250 bucks. So I got this for 250 bucks. The little bung things for $70, and then I think they came with line. This kit is worth $500, so we're already chilling. I think we got them for like 300 bucks, $200 off, which is badass. But yeah, that final product on that cowl looks freaking great. You can definitely see a little bit of the scratching. I don't know if it's like scratching over the years. I don't know what it is, but you can definitely still see it on the cowl. I don't know if it's gonna catch it on the video, but it's like right there, like this area. It's like a little scratching. I really should have just sanded it down or something, but I wasn't thinking. This turned out super good. I think in the next video we're definitely gonna have to go with cleaning these out. I'm probably gonna tape off these blitz things because I think they look badass, but we're gonna tape these off and then go with the wrinkle black. I have 2 cans, hopefully that's enough for this stuff, and then we'll go ahead and see about doing this stuff too. Hopefully we'll do that in the same video and that, so we can get the SUPRA up and running. Hopefully by then we'll have a bunch of other pieces and stuff that I'm gonna order. But yeah, thank you guys again for watching this video. I know it's been a lot. This is definitely my first step in making the SUPRA engine bay a lot nicer, since we've already pretty much done everything for the exterior that I kind of want. I mean, I would like to powder coat the wheels eventually and lower it a little bit and maybe fix some things on the exterior, but I mean, for the time being, the exterior for me is really good. We wrapped it. We have that carbon fiber lip, and we have the S2 tail lights. Maybe a TRD wing would do, but other than that, I mean, like, I really like the way the stock SUPRA looks. Maybe with some, like the TRD wing and maybe a lip. I think they look freaking badass like that. They just look clean. But the engine bay, I am getting into like clean ass engine bay. I want to clean up my engine bay. Because I want to make it look good when we have that single turbo. That single turbo, for sure, I want the engine bay to look clean as hell. Like, I want to get maybe like a carbon fiber cover, like valve cover. Not valve cover. I want to get like a carbon fiber, like a valve, like, I don't know what goes on top of the valve cover. I'm blanking it, but I want to get one of those. I want to make my engine bay look clean. Eventually, like further down in the future, we're going to tube the SUPRA, so it's going to be the cool wire tuck, like harness and everything. But that's for the future. I still need to learn how to do all that crap, so I mean, probably not anytime soon, but hopefully we'll make it as clean as possible with what we have and like what our abilities are, because you know, I'm still learning all these new things. But if you guys are still watching my videos, thank you guys a lot for watching my videos. If you guys could go and like and subscribe to me, that'd be much appreciated. I really want to do these YouTube videos just on my own time, so it makes me feel a lot more motivated to make more videos. I enjoy making videos. Even if no one watches them, I'd still make videos, but I really enjoy making videos. I think it's cool. When people comment, I try to comment on every video. I mean, if I don't see it, I forget to comment back, but most of the time I do comment on every single of my people, and every single comment that I get, I try to comment back. But I appreciate it. Let me know in the comments if you guys have any suggestions on what we should do next. Any color suggestions or anything like that. Oh, we should go with the engine bay. I'm leaning a lot towards purple, which I might do because white and purple looks badass, because the engine bay is white, so white and purple I feel like they complement very well. But yeah, appreciate you guys watching the video. You guys have a wonderful day, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.